Hey there. Welcome back to Grain Free News. I'm Lee, and I'm so glad you're here. Have you ever found yourself lying in bed at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling, questioning every life decision you've ever made, including that innocent slice of bread at dinner? I mean, how could something as simple as grains be the villain in your sleep saga? Sounds wild, right? And yet, maybe not. Today, we're exploring whether ditching grains could be the key to better sleep. So grab your coziest blanket, make yourself a soothing cup of chamomile tea, and settle in. Be sure to see the show notes for my research references. And because life should always include something delicious, stick around until the end for my original recipe for grain free lentil nut butter cookies. I'll flash the link to the video on the screen. They're so good. They're sweet and satisfying, but not too sweet. And they're perfect as a grab and go snack on the run. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What grain free content would make your day brighter? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Community is everything, right? Let's get back to the reason you're here, those elusive good nights of sleep. Sleep isn't some luxury reserved for spa weekends and vacation mornings. It's essential. Without enough of it, you're not you. You get cranky, forgetful, maybe even so ravenous you could eat an entire pizza, and then some. Chronic sleep deprivation isn't just about feeling tired, it can sneakily lead to weight gain, mood swings, and an immune system that waves a white flag at the first sign of a cold. But here's the twist. What if the foods you're eating, yes, those seemingly innocent grains, are sabotaging your sleep? Grains are everywhere: fluffy bread, creamy pasta, crunchy cereal. They're woven into our daily lives. Most people never give them a second thought. But for some, grains stir up inflammation, spike blood sugar, and disrupt gut health, all of which can keep you tossing and turning. Ever had a carb heavy dinner and found yourself wide eyed at midnight? That's the sugar roller coaster crashing and taking your sleep with it. Not all grains are the same, though. Whole grains have fibrous goodness and slow sugar absorption. Refined grains, they're like a sugar bomb with no buffer. Diets high in these quick burning carbs have been linked to insomnia, especially as we get older and sleep becomes trickier. So, how might going grain free help? For starters, stable blood sugar means no 2 a.m. wake up calls from your pancreas. Cutting grains, especially refined ones, can reduce inflammation and soothe your gut. And your gut? It's more than a digestion machine. It's where serotonin is made, the very hormone that cues your brain to drift off peacefully. When your gut is happy, your brain follows suit. Are you thinking about ditching grains? Don't panic. This doesn't mean eating like a rabbit. Fill your plate with creamy avocado, rich olive oil, satisfying proteins like eggs, fish, and chicken, and colorful veggies bursting with fiber. Low sugar fruits, think berries, can be your sweet treat that won't mess with your sleep. These foods nourish you, keep your blood sugar steady, and help your body make melatonin, the hormone that whispers, "Hey, it's bedtime." But let's be real. Is going grain free for everyone? Not necessarily. If you're not sensitive to grains, whole grains in moderation can still be part of a balanced diet. As always, check in with your doctor before making big changes. If you do cut grains, keep your fiber intake high. Trust me, your digestive system will thank you. So, how do you keep your fiber intake high without grains? It is easier than you think. The key is to focus on fiber rich plant foods. These foods support digestion, help regulate blood sugar, and keep you full longer. Start with seeds, the tiny powerhouses of fiber. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds contain an impressive amount of fiber per serving. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds has around 5 grams of fiber, plus omega 3s for brain health. Stir them into yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or make a simple chia pudding with coconut milk and a touch of cinnamon. Legumes are another fiber rich option. Lentils, black beans, and chickpeas are loaded with fiber and protein, making them a great grain alternative. Roasted chickpeas make a crunchy snack, and lentils work well in soups or grain free bowls. Non starchy vegetables are also an excellent way to get more fiber. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard provide fiber without the blood sugar spike that grains can cause. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, contain prebiotic fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Try roasting them with olive oil or adding shredded cabbage to salads for an easy fiber boost. Nuts are another great source of fiber. Almonds, walnuts, and pecans contain fiber and healthy fats, making them a satisfying snack. A handful of almonds gives you about 4 grams of fiber, while nut butters without added sugar are great for spreading on celery or mixing into smoothies. Remember, I mentioned berries. Berries are one of the best fiber rich fruits. Raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries contain plenty of fiber while being lower in sugar than tropical fruits. Half a cup of raspberries has about 4 grams of fiber. You can toss them on yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack. Finally, grain free flours can also be an excellent fiber source. Coconut flour and almond flour contain much more fiber than traditional wheat flour. Coconut flour has about 10 grams of fiber per 1/4 cup. Thousands of people swear by grain free diets like paleo, keto, or the specific carbohydrate diet, claiming they sleep like contented cats curled up in sunbeams. Studies even back them up, showing better sleep quality after a few weeks without grains. And personally, I have friends who said dropping grains flipped a switch. Suddenly, they weren't waking up to rehearse tomorrow's to do list in the dead of night. Whether you choose grains or no grains, some sleep tips never go out of style. Eat dinner at least 3 hours before bed. Ease up on caffeine and that tempting glass of wine late at night. Create a bedtime ritual that feels like self love. Dim lights, soft music, maybe a good book. Leave your phone in another room. I know, but social media can wait. And make your bedroom a sanctuary, cool, dark, and cozy enough to make hibernating bears jealous. So, is going grain free the secret to sleep better? For some, yes. Balancing blood sugar, calming inflammation, and caring for your gut can work wonders. But your body is yours, unique, wise, and always worth listening to. Experiment. See how you feel. Rest is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. Thank you for watching Grain Free News. I'm Lee. Grain Free Insights always looks for timely stories to help you live your best, grain free life. Stay tuned for more, and remember to check out that lentil nut butter cookie recipe waiting for you at the end. This content is for informational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical condition. Always consult your healthcare provider before changing your diet, exercise, or sleep routines.